Alright, we are back with a trading recap video on how I lost $479 and 28 cents. When I look up there, it's my calendar, basically just noting everything. It looks like I won, huh? Looks like I got a huge RR on this trade. No, that was TGR's trade that he took and got 44 bands on. Got my ass looking stupid. Okay, so let's get into this. Shout outs to TGR. That's what I've been trading from. TGR, ICT, and a little bit of, I forgot what this guy name was, man. But I learned support and resistance from him. I bought a course, horrible course by the way. Like when I say horrible, I mean like it was like what, $300, and it was like I don't know what it was. It was $300 of course. I learned support and resistance the bad way though. Like he will fake wins and all that. It's bad, bro. Like it's bad. But okay, that's another story for another day. Let's talk about how I lost damn near 1% today, which I don't mind losing that. Okay, so coming into today, we had right here. Let me go back right here. It's good. Coming today, we did have no draws of liquidity. I actually wanted to see these lows get took, then this low down here get took, which this low right here happened pre-market. So this low right here, let me just mark it out real quick. This low got took pre-market. Okay, note that real quick. Coming to today, I did want to see this high get traded too, so you can see I was bullish, but I was half and half, trying to see what the market did when it opened. So market opens already. Let me see. Let me go back. My market opens. If we can load. Alright. Market opened. Came down to 15-minute. Market open, came down, took out all sell side liquidity lows besides this one here. That shit right there in my sign should have been enough. Like, okay, clearly we don't have enough selling pressure to continue lower right here after we did not take that low. So market open 930 right here. Boom. We take sell side liquidity. I should have known by then we should have been looking for buys. Like we should have been looking for longs. After we take big sell side liquidity on the hourly to 15-minute, that's what I should have been looking for. Okay, we go to the market open. Now this was what I was thinking. I wanted to see price go lower, continue to the downside, and then also take out this low, and then these insignificant lows right here. Okay, and then these lows right here, like this lower here, this lower here get taken out. All these lows. I want to see actually all these lows get ran. And market open, it didn't give me that setup whatsoever. Like we didn't get a retracement at 930. I mean, like right here, you could say this is the opening, but we never got a retracement up on the 5 minutes, so I never got my retracement. So I couldn't take a short right there. So I missed out on literally all this wick down. So we get a 5-minute fair value gap right there. So I'm like, okay, but we get a 5-minute fair value gap right here. I'm looking to go short. I want to go short off this right here. I'm going short. We get a 5-minute fair value gap. We take out this minor side high right here. Buy side liquidity right there, and then we also had this one huge minute fair value gap that we were respecting our ass off. Like we literally respected that so much, it was insane that I didn't notice this and flip biases and took a buy. But we didn't do that. Instead, what we did was right here. I want to take, because this is all just the stuff I knocked down from TGR's video. So, oh yeah, okay. 30-second chart. What do we have? We travel down. Oh, I want to say travel. That sounds like that's what it said. But we make a fair value gap right here, imbalance right here. We trade into it. I should have took a short off that. That stops right here, and then just waited for shorts. But I didn't take a short off that. I took my short off of a close range proximity. So basically, my short was literally right here. And I have my stop right here at the breaker structure, basically, that we took out that high and this high right here. So the breaker structure right there, my stop right there, TP down here for a 1 to 2. And as we can see, if we just look, I might have got it out a little bit early, I'm not gonna lie. But it was right there. It was literally right there. TP was down here. I'm like, this is not a bad RR. You know, we're risking 500 to make 14. It's a good trade. But what I did not see was a 1 minute imbalance right here that we traded into that I just like F it. It's one huge minute imbalance right there. We also had a 2 minute imbalance right there that we did not, and I got stopped out right there. Yeah, negative 95. So that's how I got stopped out. See, like literally, we just didn't do enough analysis. We just didn't realize what we were in. Like we literally came up after taking these lows, came up price action, traded back into a 1 minute fair value gap. And I should have just noticed that right there. We came up, took out buy sell liquidity right here. We haven't yet took out sell side liquidity. Like we literally haven't not yet took out sell side liquidity to the downside. We come to price. Price comes back down. What does it do? Comes back down. After taking out that huge buy side liquidity right there, it makes a what? Fair value gap, straight back into that fair value gap, and rallies up. That could have been our trade right there, right here. Along off that, break a structure to the upside, soft at the low, going for that high right there. Would have been a great trade, honestly. 1 to 3.72. Not that bad RR, if you ask me. And also, we could have got in a lot earlier if we just noticed. We break structure. Let me scratch my arm right now. Break structure to the upside right there. What do you create? A order block right here. What does it do? Comes back up, takes out, literally breaks the structure again to the upside, comes back down into that order block. We could have took an entry off that. And then stopped it to blow this low, going for an even better RR of a 1 to 6.4, man. Just a bad way to start the month, but hey, it's just a lesson. It is just a lesson to learn that we should just do better analysis. I'm gonna come tomorrow with better analysis and everything like that for tomorrow and everything. But I think that'll be it for this one.